The most famous Rumi quotes.
Your task is not to seek for love but merely to seek and find all the barriers within yourself that you have built against it.
The wound is the place where the light enters you. Stop acting so small, you are the universe in ecstatic motion. Yesterday I was clever, so I wanted to change the world. Today I am wise, so I am changing myself. What you seek is seeking you. Don't grieve. Anything you lose comes round in another form. If you are irritated by every rub, how will your mirror be polished? Don't be satisfied with stories, how things have gone with others. Unfold your own myth. You were born with wings, why prefer to crawl through life? When you do things from your soul, you feel a river moving in you, a joy. Forget safety, live where you fear to live, destroy your reputation, be notorious. Raise your words, not voice. It is rain that grows flowers, not thunder. When I am with you, we stay up all night. When you're not here, I can't go to sleep. Praise God for those two insomnias, and the difference between them. My soul is from elsewhere, I'm sure of that, and I intend to end up there. Silence is the language of God, all else is poor translation. Sell your cleverness and buy bewilderment. Ignore those that make you fearful and sad, that degrade you back towards disease and death. Everything in the universe is within you. Ask all from yourself. Where there is ruin, there is hope for a treasure. I want to see you. Know your voice. Recognize you when you first come round the corner. Sense your scent when I come into a room you've just left. Know the lift of your heel, the glide of your foot. Become familiar with the way you purse your lips, then let them part, just the slightest bit, when I lean into your space and kiss you. I want to know the joy of how you whisper. Be grateful for whoever comes, because each has been sent as a guide from beyond. Do not feel lonely, the entire universe is inside you. Stop acting so small, you are the universe in ecstatic motion. Set your life on fire. You are not a drop in the ocean, you are the entire ocean in a drop. There are 1,000 ways to kneel and kiss the ground, there are 1,000 ways to go home again. This place is a dream. Only a sleeper considers it real. Then death comes like dawn, and you wake up laughing at what you thought was your grief. Would you become a pilgrim on the road of love? The first condition is that you make yourself humble as dust and ashes. If the foot of the trees were not tied to earth, they would be pursuing me. For I have blossomed so much, I am the envy of the gardens. Goodbyes are only for those who love with their eyes. Because for those who love with heart and soul, there is no such thing as separation. Set your life on fire. Seek those who fan your flames. I know you're tired, but come, this is the way. Why do you stay in prison, when the door is so wide open? Your depression is connected to your insolence and refusal to praise. And so it is, that both the devil and the angelic spirits present us with objects of desire to awaken our power of choice. Start a huge, foolish project, like Noah, it makes absolutely no difference what people think of you. Be empty of worry, think of who created thought. You have to keep breaking your heart until it opens. Words are a pretext. It is the inner bond that draws one person to another, not words. Wherever you are, and whatever you do, be in love. Live life as if everything is rigged in your favor. When the world pushes you to your knees, you're in the perfect position to pray. Be full of sorrow, that you may become hill of joy, weep, that you may break into laughter. I am not this hair, I am not this skin, I am the soul that lives within. Seek the wisdom that will untie your knot. Seek the path that demands your whole being. As you start to walk on the way appears. The only lasting beauty is the beauty of the heart. Patience is the key to joy. Until you shatter yourself. Grace comes to forgive and then forgive again. Become the sky, take an axe to the prison wall. Escape. It's your road, and yours alone. Others may walk it with you, but no one can walk it for you. Everything that is made beautiful and fair and lovely is made from the eye of one who sees. What hurts you, blesses you. Darkness is your candle. Prophets accept all agony and trust it, for the water has never feared the fire. Achieve some perfection yourself, so that you may not fall into sorrow by seeing the perfection in others. Be certain that in the religion of love there are no believers and unbelievers. Love embraces all. The garden of the world has no limit except in your mind. The world is a mountain, in which your words are echoed back to you. All your anxiety is because of your desire for harmony. Seek disharmony, then you will gain peace. Whatever purifies you is the right path. I will not try to define it. Look Look at the moon in the sky, not the one in the lake. Poetry can be dangerous, especially beautiful poetry, because it gives the illusion of having had the experience without actually going through it.